Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. You've read the title, it's going to be a very exciting vlog. I've been nominated for the Cosmo Awards. This year I've been nominated in the lifestyle category in the editor's panel, editor's choice. I was nominated back in lockdown. I think for 2 categories, and yeah, I'm just so honored and so grateful for this nomination. Winning तो दूर की बात है, मैं इसमें ही बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ, and of course it's all thanks to you guys. Thank you to everyone who voted for me to be nominated, and thank you for always watching my videos. So having said all of that, what we're going to be doing in today's vlog is that we're going to be prepping for the awards, because this is the first time that I'm going for the awards. The last time that it happened online because there was COVID the last time I was nominated. So this year they're flying everyone who is not in Delhi to Delhi, because the awards are happening in Delhi, and it's going to be like a 2.5 day affair. It's going to be quite elaborate, and I am going to be honest, I am quite nervous about it. So I just want to prepare myself in terms of outfits, in terms of grooming, everything. Now for the outfits bit, I've actually hired a stylist. This is the first time ever that I've hired someone to style me. Usually I just like buy stuff online and then like figure something out, but I wanted someone to style me because I'm feeling a little bit more experimentative. I'm open to trying out new things, so I want someone's help who can help me explore new possibilities. And I actually know this person. Her name is Lorraine. She's a friend and she's also a content creator, so she's going to be helping me out with sourcing and styling and all of that. So as we speak, I have 2 days to go. Aaj ka pura din, kal ka pura din, and then day after I'm flying. Today some outfits have come in and I'm gonna start trying them. I think we have like 6 or 8 outfits that have come in. So yeah, having said all of that, let's get started with today's vlog. Also, this one showed up, of course, right before an event. I usually don't really break out unless my period is about to start. मेरे periods को बहुत time है, and out of nowhere, this one has popped up, and also one right here. I don't know if you can see it, but that's happening. Okay, so this is outfit number 1. Guys, thoughts? Very basic, na?
Basic, yeah.
मतलब even for the dinner, I think it's very basic. Forget about the award night. Okay, outfit number 2. ये मैंने मेरे मन में बना लिया था कि मुझे यही पहनना है. देख के like after trying it on, I don't love it, but I don't hate it. It's somewhere in the middle for like the dinner. I think it's nice. Then we have this metallic number. Turned out not that bad actually. I quite like it. So far, जितने भी dresses pick किए, I think this is my favorite. Looking good on my body. It's looking very jazzy. I feel like with hair and makeup, I could dress this up potentially for awards night. Okay, then we have this jumpsuit. It's very nice, but I feel like it's very safe for the occasion. I want to be a little bit more experimentative. बहुत अच्छा है ये, but कोई दूसरे event के लिए, ये event के लिए नहीं. Then we have outfit number 6, I think. थोड़ा सा scandalous है for me personally, but I do like it for the dinner. Bodycon bhi hai, which is what I had asked for. I don't know. I think it's a good option. Guys, thoughts? Jaldi bolo.
I think it looks nice. Can do for the dinner.
Good option for dinner. Okay, so this is the first outfit for the awards night. I do love the niche ka part, but I'm not a big fan of this situation, like the rhinestones or whatever. And also इसमें मेरा पूरा ass दिखता है पीछे से, because it's like a bodysuit, and even from the side. So I don't think I'm going to be very comfortable wearing this. So yeah, let's try another one. Another very similar number. इसमें तो पूरा मैंने bodysuit पहना हुआ एकदम दिख के आ रहा है. Same thing. You can literally see my entire ass from the behind. I like this. It's very cute, but मुझे वो vibe नहीं आ रहा. Like it doesn't feel like me, like this outfit. Okay, so it's still the same day. I just changed into a different outfit. I just want to be very comfortable because it's very hot outside and I'm going to be stepping out in like half an hour. I'll talk about that in just a second. But talking about trial day 1, I think it went well. We do have 2 options in mind, one for each event. But kal aur bhi outfits aane wale hai. Tomorrow there'll be more trials. So I'm not like shortlisting it in my head. I'm just like going to wait it out. But I'm happy so far with everything that we've tried on. So now now we are gonna go to Ami's salon to do some kind of treatment for my hair. पहले मैं सोच रही थी कि मुझे बाल कलर कराने, like I want my hair to be fresh red, but उतना टाइम नहीं है हमारे पास to be honest, क्योंकि if I were to go get my hair colored that would take like 4-5 hours minimum, and I don't have that kind of time. So I'm just gonna go get like a hair spa, hair treatment done, because actually my hair is feeling quite soft and quite nice because the products that I've been using and the hair oiling ritual that I've been doing has been really helping. But I just thought, let's just like give my hair some extra boost, some extra shine for this special occasion. So that's what we're gonna do. Done with my hair, and now I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, one day to go tomorrow. At this time I'll be on my flight essentially. So अभी आज का प्लान ये है कि मुझे और ट्रायल्स करना है to find the dress, and I also placed an order this morning for my press on nails. I was actually waiting कि मुझे मेरा ड्रेस पता चले, according to that I'll figure out क्या nails कराऊँ, but it'll be too late by then. So I've just placed an order. I'll show you what I've picked. I've picked something very neutral. I went on Pinterest and searched for like neutral nails, and that's what I've ordered because I don't know what I'm wearing. So I'm just gonna like have to wear very neutral, very basic nails. इसके अलावा of course मुझे packing करना है आज, and oh, I might have to go to H&M also today because this morning I went to like a local lingerie shop and मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मिला. With the kind of dresses that I'm wearing, I need very like specific lingerie and like seamless panties and stuff like that. So I'm gonna have to go to H&M, and H&M is not close to where I live. So in the evening probably I'll have to go. But yeah, I think now I'm going to start packing. Other than the dresses, everything else I'm just gonna pack and get it out of the way. By the way, this is what my hair looks like. Yesterday I couldn't show you an after because I don't blow dry. Like I don't get my hair blow dried because I'm trying to avoid heat. So blast dry kiya and गीले ही थे मेरे बाल when I left. But this is the next morning. They definitely look very very shiny. इतने shiny नहीं है मेरे बाल naturally. So I'm very happy about that. Feels soft, feels nice. So yeah, I would recommend this hair spa. I'll leave Ami's details in the description box below. Okay, so update. Remember how I told you मुझे जाना पड़ेगा lingerie लेने के लिए? I completely forgot that my friend Tirth, he has a lingerie shop. And he called me somehow for a different work, and then it like clicked कि ये भी मैं खरीद सकती हूँ. So let's do a haul, I guess. We have these strapless stick-on bras. I love these. I got 2 of these. Basic nipple pasties, and very very important, I got a shaper. This is from Enamour, and I've actually tried quite a few shapers ever since I've gained some weight. So I feel like this one is the best one. I tried it on abhi thode time pehle, and it's amazing. Most of the shapers that I've tried are very tight and like claustrophobic. Like you can't even breathe in them. This fits me really well, and it like doesn't roll down essentially. So really good one. I need to carry this one because all of my or most of my dresses are bodycon dresses. Oh, and by the way, I did do some more trials. 3 outfits मैंने try किए. All of them were okay. Like I don't think I'm gonna pick anything out of them. Maybe for like the daytime event, I might pick something, but nothing for like the main award and dinner that I liked. So I think we're gonna go ahead with something from yesterday only that we did. By the time you guys are watching this vlog, you already know what I've worn, how I've worn it. I still don't know for a fact, but we should be able to figure it out by this evening because my jewelry options are coming in, some gloves are coming in, bags, shoes, all of that is coming in. So at night again, I'm gonna have to do another trial round. So some of the jewelry pieces are here. I really like this one for the red dress. I like the rings in general. Madhura likes this one, so I'll try this one also. ये वाला भी अच्छा है. And then silver outfit के लिए ये सब rings मैं पहनूंगी. Silver outfit के लिए I feel like this is the one that I'm leaning the most towards. But ठीक है, the whole point of me having so many options is that I should try it all. So for like the 4th time, I'm gonna be trying my outfit again. By the way, I completely forgot to show you guys these nails. So मैंने nude nails कराए in like a coffin shape, and I've given my nails a rest for like a couple of days. काफी better हुए मेरे nails as compared to before. All thanks to press-on nails, because pehle when I used to do acrylic nails, it was so bad. But anyway, this is the set that I've gotten made. This is by Nails by Vyomi. I will tag her below. She makes the most insane nails. Isme you can't really tell, but when you give her like designs Pinterest se chunke, she does such a fab job. So yeah, totally recommend. Just changed into some appropriate clothes for me to step out. Now I'm going to the mall because I need to visit H&M, Zara, any store actually, because I don't have a bag for one of my outfits. So I'm gonna go figure that out. And also एक और चीज़ करना था, मुझे वैक्सिंग करानी है जाके, मुझे वैक्सिंग करानी है. एंड एक और कुछ तो था, हाँ, आई नीड टू कलेक्ट माई ग्लासेस. एक दिन पहले कन्वीनियंटली मैंने मेरे स्पेक्स तोड़ दिए हैं, सो मैंने कल रिपेयरिंग के लिए दे दिए थे, आज बन गए होंगे होपफुली. सो या, नीड टू डू दैट. Yeah, I think let's go. First stop is H&M. We got everything we wanted except what we actually wanted. My footwear sorted at Kai. Oh my god, I'm so relieved. Much needed coffee, and then we go back home and start working again. Okay, so I am back home and I was frantic in the mall trying to find things. I feel like I wasted a lot of time in H&M and Zara. I need to realize कि और भी दुकान है Zara और H&M का छोड़ के, and literally मुझे सब like अच्छी चीज़ें दूसरे स्टोर्स में मिली. I spent so much time there, but I think let's start with H&M only. Everything that I picked up, with the amount of shopping that I've done, it definitely calls for a haul. So I bought these 2 silver bags for my silver dress. If you remember from the trials that I did yesterday, I'm not sure इनमें से कोई भी मैच होने वाली है, but I was like, I'm just gonna buy it because tomorrow morning I can't go and buy it. So I'll try. If it goes with my outfit, I'll keep it. Otherwise, I'll return it because anyway मैंने use तो नहीं किया है. I just need to like place it with my dress and see if it matches. Yeah, so these are the 2 bags. Both of them are very cute on their own, but I don't know with my gown it'll go or not. We bought another bag, of course. You guys know I'm a big fan of like bags. ये वाला मुझे लेने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं थी, but मुझे इतना क्यूट लगा, and I was like, इतने सारे, there are so many like events in these like 2-3 days. There's a brunch, there's a lunch, there's a breakfast. So I bought this skirt and I was like, I'll pair it with this bag and it'll make an outfit. So yeah, I got these 2 things. Then I also got this really fun green shirt. Green बहुत ही ट्रेंड में चल रहा है, तो मैंने सोचा ये एक मैं शर्ट ले लेती हूँ. ये एक कार्डिगन भी मैंने पिकअप किया है. इट्स लिटरली मार्च, अप्रैल, आर वी इन मार्च, अप्रैल, we're in March, sorry. It's literally March, it's so hot. Still I decided to pick this up for an airport look. And then I got a lint roller. मेरे सारे खत्म हो गए, so needed this. Okay, Forever New मैं गई and I was so happy because I found a bag that I feel like will match my gown perfectly. Yeah, this is the one. I'm gonna keep this. And I feel like ये Indian outfits पे भी बहुत अच्छा जाएगा. I really hope it goes well with my gown. अभी रात को, like रात तो हो गई है. In like an hour, half an hour, I'll try everything again, and hopefully this goes really well. And then Forever New से मैंने थोड़े और jewelry उठा ली है. This is what it looks like. Silver diamond jewelry है. You guys might know that I usually only wear gold accessories, gold jewelry, so I don't have a lot of silver, and I'm doing an entire silver look. So I got these. And then last but certainly not the least, we have Kai. So I walked into the store and I fell in love with these heels. I don't know camera में इतना दिख रहा है कि नहीं दिख रहा है, but they're such pretty rhinestone, ekdam delicate looking silver heels for my silver outfit, which is going to be my main outfit. So this is a close-up. I feel like when I wear it, it looks even prettier. These are going to literally tie my whole look together. I'm so happy that I found these. And while I was shopping, people at the Kai store, they recognized me and they were so sweet. They gave me 2 more pairs of shoes. I'll show you what they look like. They honestly didn't need to, but Kai shoes are so comfortable. I have one pair, gold nude pair hai, which is so comfortable, and ye ek black pair hai. I know I'm gonna get so much use out of these because they're black. And then we have these flats right here, which I feel like are going to be so perfect for the summers. Neutral color hai, to sab outfits ke sath jayega, and I love flats. So yeah. So that was my haul. What is the time right now? I think it's close to 10 o'clock. 9:15 है. Sorry, 9:15 हुआ है, 10 o'clock नहीं हुआ है. But I'm so tired already. I'm hoping to sleep by 12 max. 11 था मेरा टारगेट, बट मुझे पता है आइडियली 11 होने नहीं वाला है. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up this mess, pack a little, and then do try-ons and have dinner in middle. I'll see you in a bit. So here we have look number 1. Looks quite nice ऐसे flat lay में, but let's try it out. So these are the 2 bag options that we have. This one is Anam's. She sent it to me for this outfit, and then this is the one that I picked up. This is the outfit. I honestly don't know how I feel about it at this point. Little too late, I feel, but ठीक है. I have an audience here to help me decide. क्या लग रहा है तुम लोगों को?
मुझे ये सबसे बेस्ट लगा अभी तक का.
सबसे बेस्ट मतलब मैंने एक ही फर्स्ट ही
हाँ.
देखा है.
वही बोल रहा है.
मैं और मैंने फर्स्ट हमारा फर्स्ट ही है. आई लाइक द ड्रेस. आई लाइक हाउ इट्स फिटिंग एंड हाउ इट्स लुकिंग. बट आई नीड टू सी द अदर ऑप्शन.
Yeah. Same answer.
My answer also the same.
Moment of truth. 15 kg यार.
भाई
कितना है?
24.
ओह नो.
खरीद ले भाई, वेट खरीद ले. कुछ ऑप्शन नहीं है यार.
मैं उठा के बोला इस डेफिनेटली बोला.
एंड आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल कि इतना सारा आउटफिट्स इतने में जाए.
वही खरीदना ही पड़ेगा. फर्स्ट टाइम इन माय लाइफ आई विल बी बाइंग. वेट,
फर्स्ट टाइम नहीं हुआ है.
कब भाई? उसके पहले कब खरीदा है?
जयपुर.
हाँ खरीदा इसके पहले. Okay, so it is 11:30 right now, and I think I should be in bed by 12:30 because I still have to go take a shower, shave my body. I was supposed to go waxing, but मुझे मॉल में इतना ज़्यादा टाइम लग गया that I couldn't make it to the salon. But it's okay, not too bad. I have to wake up tomorrow by 7:30. 7:30-ish. So I'll get 7 hours of sleep. Not bad. So yeah, with that, I'm going to end this prep vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this very chaotic but hopefully fun vlog. And that's it. See you in part 2. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.